Hi everybody, I'm Karen Marie. Welcome to my channel. If you're looking for an easy way to curl your locks, I did a video earlier this year using a different method where you would have to use no rollers, no pipe cleaners. I actually think that method that I did is going to be easier if you have chunkier locks. But the method that I'm going to show you today is going to work wonders if you have small locks, and it's very easy and you can get it done in a matter of a day's time. So if this is interesting to you, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell for future videos like these. All right, so fast forward to October of 2023. I wanted the tightness of pipe cleaner curls, but I didn't want to go all the way to my scalp with it. So I decided to do it with my hair in a ponytail. I don't know about y'all, but like the longer your locks get, the more tedious it is to put it in like just simple ponytails. And this is really going to be a simple ponytail for the purpose of doing these pipe cleaner curls, because I'm trying to do a quick, easy method so that when I take the ponytail down in the pipe cleaner curls, I'll still have a nice curl pattern. But like, I just don't want to take the time to just, I don't know. Just trying to see if this will save time. I know whenever I was relaxed and my hair was about this long when I was relaxed, like when I was in high school, I would put my hair in a ponytail and I would take some sponge rollers and roll the end of the ponytail. Like, I'd have really nice curls. So I'm trying to see if I can get the same effect with pipe cleaner curls and locks. So we'll see. Okay, so I got these pipe cleaners from Amazon. Pretty standard pipe cleaner. They came in a package of about 300, relatively cheap. I'm also using Locs Body. I like Locs Body because it gives me a better hold than anything else I've used. I dilute this with a little bit of water, and I'm going to saturate the ponytail really well with the solution. Okay, you guys, my goal was to grab 3 locks for each pipe cleaner, but the problem that I ran into with this is, of course, some locks are going to be much longer than others. So for that reason, I did find myself having to use only 2 at a time, but for the most part, I was able to use 3 locks throughout this process. And once you spray the locks really well with the solution, you're going to just start curling the locks. Like, I really didn't have a method for which end I started at the pipe cleaners. I really didn't know. I didn't look it up. I didn't do any of it. I just kind of went with what felt natural to me, y'all, and closed it up at the end and kept going to the next bunch. Okay, here's an important tip for you guys. Make sure that you go ahead and prep your pipe cleaners ahead of time. Because once you've already saturated your locks, then you have to put them down. Your hands are wet. You have to go back and figure out which ones you saturated, and it's hard to do because your hands are wet. It's just going to save you a lot of time to go ahead and do all that preparation early so you don't have to worry about it as you're curling your locks. Okay, at this point, it's been about an hour and a half. I only have this much left to go, but I'm getting tired and I got a lot to do. But I feel like it's really going to be worth it, so I'm going to stick it out. I think I even may let this be a style for at least maybe 3 or 4 days. Who knows? We'll see how it comes out. All right, so it's the next morning. I just tied my hair down with a scarf, so I'm up at 5:30 doing my edge control, and I'm going to put the scarf back on after this and let the edge control set in. And I slapped some earrings and some makeup on, you guys, and to me it was like a cute little bun, so I left it just the way it was. Our commute to work is about an hour and 10-15 minutes, so this gave me plenty of time to put my scarf back on and let everything set really nicely. Oops, forgot my phone. Well, I changed my mind and decided to sit here in between phone calls and emails and start taking these things out because honestly, my head was a little bit sore. I hadn't gotten much sleep because of this stuff last night, and I was just ready for it to go. enough with the ponytail. I decided to take the ponytail out also, you guys, because I was really anxious to see what kind of curl pattern I was going to have and how my hair was going to look outside of the ponytail. Now, as you're separating your curls, be careful not to pull too much, you guys. You kind of want to just give your hair a good shake without pulling too much because you want your curls to last. I ended up using about 50 pipe cleaners for this. So I guess that means I have close to like 150 locks, I guess. So this is the finished product. What do you guys think? I actually love it. It feels kind of like I have a bob. You know, I was saying I might cut my hair into a bob after it gets a certain length, but with this, I don't have to. I took them out this morning, as you saw, while I was at work, and yeah, everybody was complimenting my hair. It's like, oh, your hair is really cute. So I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments, are you guys gonna try this? If you do try it, I suggest you doing it early morning and, you know, go throughout your day. And if it's a Saturday or something like that, then take them out Saturday night, because I promise y'all, you ain't getting no rest with that stuff in your head like that. Like I suffered. I didn't get any sleep. But y'all, I'm loving it. Not only do I have hang time, I can swing. I'm having fun with this, y'all. So this is probably going to last me, I would say, a good 2-3 weeks. My hair, when it gets like this, it stays. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you try this, and if you do, I want to see. Tag me, let me know. Thank you for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell. It'll really help me out a lot, and I really, really, really do appreciate you. See you soon. Bye.